A 100% natural spice for health? Hi guys, welcome to another video here on the Healthy Lifestyle channel. I'm Thomas, and today we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of turmeric, a powerful spice that has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine. But before you go any further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the latest news. Now, let's get straight to the point. So, what is turmeric? Turmeric is a spice widely used in cooking and health products, especially for its beneficial medicinal properties. It is widely cultivated for its underground roots, native to South Asia, which are harvested, dried and ground to produce the characteristic yellow-orange powder known as turmeric. Its main active compound is curcumin, which is responsible for many of the health benefits associated with turmeric. Curcumin has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable ingredient in health promotion and the treatment of various conditions. Now I'm going to list some of the many benefits of turmeric for our health. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help fight chronic diseases and protect cells from damage. Improved brain function. Studies suggest that curcumin can improve brain function, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Pain relief. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can help relieve pain associated with conditions such as arthritis and muscle pain. Digestive health. Turmeric can promote digestive health, helping to relieve symptoms of indigestion and digestive disorders. Heart health. Curcumin can benefit heart health, helping to reduce cholesterol, blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. Immune system support. Turmeric has immunomodulatory properties that strengthen the immune system and protect it against infections. Now that we know the health benefits of turmeric, you can easily incorporate it into your daily diet. Like in smoothies, soups, omelettes, rice, and other recipes. By using turmeric in your daily diet, you can improve digestion, strengthen your immune system, control and regulate blood glucose levels and help with detoxification and liver health. And to help you with this, I'll leave you with some short recipes in the description of this video. As well as using turmeric in your daily meals, another convenient way to reap the benefits of this powerful spice is through natural supplements. These supplements are formulated to provide a concentrated dose of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, to boost its positive health effects. You can find a variety of natural turmeric supplements available on the market, many of which are combined with other natural ingredients to enhance their benefits. And to incorporate natural turmeric supplements into your daily routine, simply add them to your morning or evening routine to help support your overall health and promote long-term well-being. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description to a supplement that helps with weight loss. It's important to note that although turmeric offers a number of health benefits, its consumption should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, no matter how you choose to take advantage of turmeric's benefits, whether in your daily cooking or through natural supplements, you are taking an important step towards a healthier and more vibrant life. Try it today and feel the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you next time.